Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Friends, nowadays entire globe is facing rising temperature issues. In this tutorial, we'll create heat map of Bengaluru city, Karnataka and find land surface temperature of that city. So as to find out the sensitive places where we should initiate tree plantation drive so as to help cool the city. Now, to create a localized heat mapping, we are adding area of interest Bengaluru city to the map. In the Add Data dialog box under Portal, click Living Atlas. In the Search Living Atlas field, type multispectral Landsat. Press Enter. Select the multispectral imagery layer and click OK. The MSL imagery layer will be added to the content pane. The MSL imagery layer includes Landsat GLS, Landsat 8 and Landsat 9 imagery. This layer is time enabled and updated daily with new imageries. The MSL imagery layer contains decades of information for many visualization types. To select the correct visualization for land surface temperature, we must configure the processing template, the mosaic operator and a definition query in the layer properties. The MSL layer contains imagery of thermal energy that is emitted from the Earth's surface in two distinct bands. You can convert the thermal energy of the land surface into images that approximates surface temperature with the help of processing template. Right click MSL and choose properties. In the layer properties dialog box, click the processing template tab. For processing template, click the down arrow and choose band 10 surface temperature in Celsius. Layers. Now, imagery layer may also contain images that are not necessary for deriving land surface temperature. In this case, the multispectral Landsat imagery layer contains clouds and cloud shadows which could interfere with our analysis. So, we will create a definition query to filter out all images with more than 5% cloud cover. Click the definition query tab, point to query 1 and then click the remove definition query button. In the remove definition query dialog box, click yes. Now click new definition query, write a query like where cloud cover is less than or equal to 0.05. In the query on box, click apply. In the layer properties dialog box, click apply and then click OK. Now open the copy raster tool in geoprocessing. In the geoprocessing pane, click the environment tab. In the processing extent section, click the extent of a layer down arrow and choose the state layer, which is Bengaluru. Now click the parameters tab. For input raster, choose multispectral Landsat and define the CRS. Now we want to save output as a TIFF file. However, TIFF files cannot be stored in a file geodatabase. So we need to create a project folder to save the TIFF file. We'll create a folder for the output file location and give the output raster dataset a name like Bengaluru.tiff. It should end in .tiff. We are now ready to run the copy raster tool to create a new layer that limits the multispectral imagery layer to our study area. So click run. Now we will change the symbology of the MSL layer to visualize the result of the configured layer properties. Right click MSL and choose symbology. In the symbology pane, set the following parameters like colors screen in inferno, stress type minimum maximum, statistics DRA. Due to the global coverage of the layer and the changes that we made to the layer properties, it may take a couple of minutes for the symbology to render in the map. The tip layer is added to the content pane. You can visualize and that areas with cooler temperature are shown in dark purple and areas with hotter temperatures are shown in orange and yellow. Now you can surf the whole city and left click to find the temperature of that area of Bengaluru city. In the next sessions, we'll come up with the data statistics in table form